red color, parrot green color, black color, brown color, yellow color, pink color, orange color, blue color. Today we will trace A to C. A for alligator. B for butterfly. C for car. D for donkey. E for egg. F for frog. G for gun. G for gun. H for house. I for insect. J for juice. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nose. Let's move to O. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for snail. T for tomato. U for unicorn. Now it's time for V for victory. W for watermelon. X for Xerox. Y for yo-yo. Z for zoo. Now let's revise again. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Very good. Like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.